The Espresso Martini was created in the 1980s by a bartender named Dick Bradsell, who passed away in 2016, sadly. Dick Bradsell has created 3 very famous cocktails: the Bramble, the Espresso Martini, and the Russian Spring Punch that are like, he also created the Wibble, which is considered a modern classic cocktail, but not to the caliber of these cocktails. I think we've talked enough about it. Shall we just actually gonna get into it? So we're doing the original Espresso Martini specs, but, and this is a very big but, I'm actually using cold brew concentrate, which is a nice hack. When you shake it, it aerates the same way that espresso does. You don't need to have an espresso machine on hand. I don't have a fancy schmancy espresso machine because fancy schmancy espresso machine companies haven't given me a fancy espresso machine, and I don't want to pony up like $15,000 for a good one. So I just don't drink that much coffee. I drink some coffee. I drink tea more than coffee, which I think most of you are going to be like, you're a communist. What do you mean you drink tea? What are you, British? 1/4 ounce of simple syrup, 1 ounce of our cold brew concentrate, 1/2 ounce of coffee liqueur. I'm using one that's a little more sweet than something like Mr. Black would be. So we do full 1/2 ounce here. I like the Cafe Lolita. It's nice. It's nice. I like it.
Bradsell have used.
Well, not Mr. Black because
Kahlua?
didn't. I don't know. Maybe I don't know what Dick Bradsell would have used. I don't even know, like in the 1980s, what coffee liqueurs were around.
I mean, Kahlua probably.
Or maybe like wasn't Patron making like the Patron Cafe at that point too? I think they stopped making it. I don't think they make it anymore. But yeah, I think Patron was making the Patron Cafe. So maybe that. Who knows? 2 ounces of vodka. Frankly, organic corn vodka. It's good. It's pretty good. It's nice. It's nice. It's nice. It's a nice vodka. Coupe. Ice. The other half of the shaker. Shake. And strain. And then, to garnish, take some tweezers, and we're gonna go 1 coffee bean for health, 1 coffee bean for wealth, which is very important these days if you're living in the States, and 1 coffee bean for prosperity.
No, happiness.
Prosperity is happiness. Okay, sorry, fine. Health, wealth, happiness. All right, I guess prosperity and wealth are kind of the same
Yeah, that's
thing.
more related, yeah.